Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear Instagram app cache. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to your phone settings. So just click on that, and here you just scroll down and simply click on app management, and then again click on app list, and here in the search bar you just simply type. So just wait for a while, it's loading. So in the search bar, you simply type Instagram and click on that. And here you just simply select storage usage. And here you see the option of cache. So simply click on clear cache. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.